Hello, Aditi, and welcome to CreativeKids.buzz. We are very happy to have you with us, and especially because you are such an inspiration for all other youngsters who would love to do something with their life and bring their hobbies into limelight along with their studies. So, Aditi, we are very happy to see your inspiration for other kids.
Yes.
Could you tell me something about your work?
Basically, I started painting diyas from sixth standard. When initially my mom was very interested in painting these as in passion, and later on we slowly converted it to a business, and now we paint not only the simple diyas but diyas in all different unique designs, which I would further.
Could you show us some? If you have
Yes,
them with you here.
Yes, definitely. I'll just rotate the camera. Yes. So the diyas I have are a simple pair of diyas here, or I have a shankha kind of diya,
Okay.
or even in most of the places there is a lot of diyas which get are not able to the people are not able to blow them because of the air. So diya gets blown off. So in this we can light a diya and then we cover it with this. It is all made up of mud, and there are many cuts in this through which the light reflects out. Or
Oh, great.
peacock design also, like this, in which one can light the inside, and from the outside it looks like a peacock.
Okay. Lovely.
So we also have a design in an elephant.
Beautiful.
So this can be used in two things. So during Diwali we can light the mini candles in this, and after the Diwali part is done, we can even use it as a pen stand.
Yeah, right. Very creative. So these are
So
all
that
out
is
of
one.
mud.
Yes, all of them are made out of mud.
So they're pottery actually.
Yes, they are pottery and then painted.
Excellent. And
So
which
this is
paint are
also
you
a
using?
design. Okay, so there are specific paints which are done very well on these pottery things, which give a great finish. So I also conduct workshops on these pottery paintings, wherein we can elaborate it more to the kids. How can they go ahead and follow the passion of painting?
Okay. Your soaps, are you marketing them as regular?
So currently we are using it in hampers, but we have a lot of options in soaps also. Some people prefer neem soaps, or some people prefer aloe vera, or required the whichever required are there soaps. We can provide with that.
Do you have a soap cake that you have made which you can just show us?
Yes, definitely. Just a minute.
Beautiful beers and so colorful and so bright.
So these are the soaps I have made.
Okay. Beautiful. These are also looking so sweet.
So
They're
we have
scented?
in the color palette of our hampers, and they can also be customized as per one's choice.
Okay. So these are glycerine or plain ones?
Uh, these are goat milk soaps with a flavor of kesar chandan in it, which suits our Diwali festive vibes also.
And do you also teach soap making to people?
Yes, anything and everything I am conducting in this under Dream Crafts. I take individual workshops of it. So candle making workshops, or chocolate making workshops, soap making workshops.
Studying and doing a tiny
Yes.
business, which I think is really remarkable. and very much of a inspiration to other young people. And it's really great.
Yes. So,
How do you manage? How do you manage all your craft, business, studies together?
so in this part, my parents play a lot of role. They are very supportive in helping me with all the things. They even help me with the paintings of the pottery and wherever possible in small ways, they're definitely helping me. So that helps me balancing the craft or the passion I want to follow and also the studies part.
Super. So we must also say a big thanks to your parents for bringing out these lovely diyas for Diwali. And where would we be able to get them if we want to buy them?
Yes. So if we have to buy them, I'll share my number wherein one can place the order for the required diyas. We have the normal diyas also, and if any of the unique diyas also to place an order, or even the handles.
Okay, great.
So I'll share my number wherein the order can be placed.
Okay, that's really lovely, and it was wonderful interviewing you. Very nice to meet you, and very inspiring to have a person like you with us. And
Yes.
I do wish you all the best in
Thank you
not
so
just
much.
your MBA, but also in your craft that you're so creatively taking part in. Best of
Yes.
luck. Thank you for
Definitely.
being with
Thank
us.
you so much.